All it takes is a few drops. Stormwater can influence the environment in very adverse ways. Floods, pollution, and sewer overflows are all very common themes. All we can ask from the people is to be aware.
No.
It's rain, and then it goes into the, like, off the houses and stuff, and it goes into the streets and the oceans and stuff.
Yes, I know that St. Francis, certain areas of the town, charge people for the water drain off. There's no curbs, and they get charged for it. Other than that, I don't know if there's anything that they're trying to do to try to, like, not have people pay for it. Other than that, that's basically about it.
No. Oh, and like
I think it's that water that drips down the gutters in your window, and also that those pipes in the river they go like that.
Concrete cities and roofs direct water flow far differently than what was intended by nature. Rainfall picks up the polluted particles only to be directed into a nearby stream. Thus, the human contamination enters into the water body. In the agricultural scene, stormwater runs through farm fields, picking up fertilizers that are high in phosphorus or nitrogen. When these chemicals are introduced into aquatic biomes, it can cause overgrowth of algae and other invasive plants, taking all the oxygen and not allowing for other life to grow. All this could be avoided with the increase in vegetation. We can protect our Minnesota waters by disposing of dangerous chemicals at the Anoka County Hazardous Waste Facility in Blaine. It is also important to use pesticides and fertilizers sparingly and to clean up even slight oil, antifreeze, or brake fluid spills. All of this can help improve the world we live in, and we hope to keep our waters thriving.
I know it goes by the bridge and it goes straight to the river.
The cities pollute the rainwater, and then it goes into the rivers and the oceans, like kind of like the bridge in St. Francis. The rain gets all up in there, and then it goes into the rivers.
It carries some pollution while it's trickling down the street. Disgusting.
It kills the grass there, so a lot too in the winter, like the salt gets run off and it goes to the grass and it kills it, and I mean, sometimes you see stuff floating.
Well, I don't really know, but I think it just like kills the wildlife.
The rain is picking up all the toxins, and it's going into the rivers and the oceans and stuff, and so the fish are dying, and other wildlife in the oceans and rivers are dying because of that, the toxicity of the water.
Putting mulch probably around the main areas where it comes off the road, making sure that you have your drainage pipes from your house go directly into the middle of your yard versus trying to go out to the road, and that way you can go back to the ground.
First, you could pick up dog's poop for free. You can go around picking up dog's poop. Soak down into the river. And then all that goes... And then it goes into the river. Who knows what happens next? It gets polluted. Da, 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 da.
The increase of pollution in our waters decreases recreational activities for humans. With all of this in mind, one action you could take could be replicated by someone else. Imagine what everyone could do.